Hello there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Oh My Gosh, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl Ade Nix on the beat, and I'm back with a new video. As we all know, the holidays are already here, and honestly, gifting is a sign of love, and also a sign of love is helping, which is what I'm here to do for you today. Thank you so much, Sephora, for sponsoring this video. To be honest, it's actually really hard for some people to pick gifts. I've gotten gifts, I'm like, why do you waste your money on this? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you items that are unisex, which means you can give these items to your father, your brother, your co-worker that is a man, your co-worker that is a woman, anybody can enjoy these gifts except babies. Babies cannot enjoy this gift, please beware. I had the opportunity to choose products from Sephora, and I chose products that have meaning to me. But one thing I know is they'll be beneficial to you too. So let's get into it. Gift number one, the Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. It is a maximum strength moisturizer for dry, active hands. Everybody has hands, and in this day of COVID, we all need to wash our hands all the time. I live in Canada, and winter is basically already here. You can see my sweater. It's one of the times that I'm not a big fan of, because my cuticle area is always peeling and they really hurt. They cause whitlow, and it's annoying to me. You guys don't want to see a video of me looking so face beat and my hand is looking like it's going through the depression. No, which is why I chose this. This has been part of my every hour use, because you have to wash your hand every time this COVID. If you don't wash your hand, I'm not judging you, because as a Christian you don't judge, but damn. What I love about it is the fact that it's not thick. Most hand creams that I've had to use for severely dry hands are always so thick, and they always make me sweat. With this one, it's not heavy, but it still does the job. The smell is actually not bad. It was just the first time I was like, whoa, this is a very surprising smell. There's two sizes of this cream. The mini retails for $21 and the big one retails for $31. Next gift that I will be talking about is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protective Primer. This is the mini size that goes for $14. This product I appreciate because it actually is a pre-styler. So it's something that you use on your hair before you style your hair. As you all know, every day or every other day, I put gel on my hair, and gel breaks hair. I will not lie to you, my edges have been crying. I have to bury them every other day because I have to style my hair. I gotta walk. This is for dry to very dry hair. I actually got this because Bae has dry hair, and we've been trying to find out how to combat that. And honestly, I don't think he has dry hair. I just think that he didn't have me to take care of it before, but now he has me. So babe, what are you really saying? Do you really have dry hair, or are you just not taking care of it in a negligent manner? Anyways, it protects your hair from breakage. Like for me now, I'm a bleacher. I'll be bleaching my hair, and because I do that, that's a lot of chemical, which means my hair, if I don't take care of it, it is susceptible to damage. I use this to protect my hair. I use this almost every day or every other day. Oh my gosh, I drain this in my edges. That's where I need strength, because of the bleaching, the gelling, the combing, it tends to break. So because this strengthens hair, I put it on my edges first and I drench it there, and then I just sparingly in the other place, because those ones are already eating well. It's just the edges that really need it. The next product that I want to talk about is this amazing product that I use every day when I truly remember to use it. But out of 31 days in a month, I use it maybe 27, 26. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. This is a two-step anti-aging AHA/BHA peel pad. It is pre-dosed with 7 acids to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, pores, and shine. The glycolic acid in it, which is AHA, it reduces visible signs of aging. Salicylic acid, BHA, it reduces pore breakages and supports natural collagen. Lactic acid, an organic acid that supports natural cell renewal. The mini one has 5 inside, and I believe that that's a very good tester amount. So if you want to really test and know this product, just buy this one for someone. This will be perfect for a coworker that you know has acne issues, has skin issues, or any teenager would appreciate this. This mini retails for $22.50. Please note all the prices I'm giving you right now are in Canadian dollars. If you follow me on Instagram at Nikes Canvas, you would know that I am a fan of Brioche hair products. You'll probably know also that I love the Brioche Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. Not only does this smell amazing, which means that when you use it, you don't have to use perfume for that day. Use it the next day, dear. We don't need that. But not only does it smell so good, it works even better than it smells. It is a deeply nourishing protein-free hair mask with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients clinically shown to boost moisture for more hydrated hair. The benefits: it deeply hydrates dry hair, enhances softness and smoothness, enriched with vitamins and minerals, clean and naturally derived. And you know what the best part is? It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I love you, hair mask. I know you love me too. This is one of my favorite products. This is the second batch of it and I've almost cleared it out. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna reach out to Brioche and ask them, please, hey Joe, send me another one. I really love it. I really do. This Brioche hair mask retails for 46 Canadian dollars. This final product has fast become my fave, and I'm gonna tell you why. So this COVID time, I'll not lie to you, I was affected mentally. If you notice, I used to post all the time on Instagram, then all of a sudden I just broke down and just stopped. Man, everything that was happening in 2020 affected me, and I felt very sick. I felt sick, like mentally and physically. One day I walked into a store, a natural store, and this woman told me, because I just wanted to get out of that funk, and this woman told me to get an essential oil. I used to put the essential oil around my pillow because it was supposed to make me wake up happy because of the smell. And then that was when I realized the power of smell and how it helps you in so many ways. In this time, we all need something to get us out of the anxiety that comes with the unknown of the future, which is why I chose the Nest New York Holiday Reed Diffuser. Holiday is such a time of joy and peace and love, family, happiness, a time of renewal, especially the Christmas holiday. It's a time where everybody is just happy. People are gifting you things from their hard-earned money. You don't get that all the time. It's an amazing time. It's a time people look forward to. I've been using it for 3 weeks now, and look at all that has gone. I love the smell. I walk into my room and I'm just like, yes, room, like, what's up? Smell really does affect people's moods, and in this time I urge you to gift someone or even yourself the gift of smell. This size retails for 64 Canadian dollars. What I love about it is that people would have this smell for months and they would remember that you are the one that put them in this good mood. Even you just have this smell all around you. Whatever funk you're in, get yourself out of it. You are literally the one that decides what your life is, nobody else. So get you something that puts you in the right mood so you can take the right steps and get to the right places you want to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I've been able to give you gift ideas for your loved ones, your families, your co-workers, your friends, your spouses, your kids, anybody you love or care about or just are obligated to gift things to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love and appreciate you guys for always loving and supporting me. Don't forget to go on my Instagram page. I post there almost daily, just giving you guys love, light, and happiness through my awesome self. Yeah. It's not being cocky, it's being confident. Be blessed and remain blessed forever. I love you. Have a wonderful day. See ya.